So hello everyone, welcome to Try Ride Back 365. Myself Sujit. So today in this session, we're going to complete our remaining built-in methods that are available in our string. Guys, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRide. Okay, the next method will be replace method. By the help of this word, you can find that what is the meaning of this. Means we need to replace with something. Means we have already existing something, then we need to replace. If you have don't exist, then how you can say that we need to replace? Guys, write like that. If in a string there are some character will be there, if you want to replace something, then you can, by the help of that, you can replace that particular thing. So how it going to work, now we are going to see now. Okay guys, so the replace method, first I need to give that this method is used to replace the old characters with the new characters. Okay, means there are some character that are available already. Now we need to replace with that. Okay, replace method will return type will be, the return type of this replace method will be string only. Okay, means inside the string only, means in the, not in the list only, it will be replacing in the string, but in a different memory location, in a different memory location. Guys, this is the main important question while we are telling you the replace method. The syntax will be very simple: variable name dot replace, but here it will be taking two string. Okay, one will be old string and another one will be new string. Okay, how both are going to, one more also will be available, but we are going to see. First we need to see through on this, then we can go to the second example. Okay guys, so yeah, so I'll take a new example. Okay, so I'll take the new example itself, that will be the funny one will be, I'll take we are the developers. Okay, I'll take Python developer only. Okay, so we are the Python developers. Okay, how it's going to work whenever we are going to use this replace method, we are going to see. So the syntax for this, you need to take a variable name dot replace. Okay, if you see replace, then first we need to find the old string. So in place of small e, I need to change to my capital E. So if I'm going to run this one, it will be changing all string. Okay, and it will be converted into capital E, means wherever the small e will be presented, it will be converting. Now if you are going to see the ID of this, it will be different. Okay, ID of S, and here I just want to check this ID. Okay, so guys, just see that one particular, it will be in the different, because the string will be immutable, means it will be not modify that particular things. If again, if I'm going to run this one, the old string will be generating, means that will be not changing. Okay, by this help you can find the replace method. Then if guys, then there might be the question that I want to change only two times, means we add here, I don't want to change this E, then I don't want to change this one E. Also, then in that case, what is the output for this? Means the syntax will be variable name dot replace. Here you need to find the old string and your new string. Okay, now you need to give a count, means how many time you need to change that particular thing. Here you need to mention. If I am here, I am mentioning that I want only two times, then it will be changing to two times. If I'm not giving that particular thing also, it will be not changing. So I need to remove this ID, because now I don't want that. I want only two times to replace. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be only changing two times. If you see, we are the developers in this E, it will be not changing. So this is how you can find. Okay. If you want to change this capital E, means I want to change to capital E to small e. If you see guys here, the capital E will be not presenting. In that case, it will be written the same string, means the old string that are present. If this value will be not matching, in that case, it will be not changing anything. Okay, that's all for the replace method example that are available in our Python. Then the next method that are available in Python will be index. So guys, if you see, the index means is nothing but we need to finding some index value for a particular character only. Okay, so it will be said that this method is used to give the index position of the first occurrence. So what is this? I'll tell you. Okay, don't worry. Occurrence of string given as an argument. Okay, means whatever the substring you want to check for that index, means in this I want to check this E position. Means if you see here, it will be E present, but here also, but it will be telling this E only. Means it will be not telling the index position of this E. Okay, so that's why I am telling that the first occurrence of substring in the argument, the return type will be here. The return type will be integer. Okay guys, then the syntax for this will be variable name dot my index, and you need to find the substring. Okay, there will be one more syntax will be available. First we need to go through the simple one. Okay, so now I just want to find the E. So I need to find the s of index, means the variable of index of E. If you see guys here, my index value will be 1. If I'm going to run this one, so at that time it will be give me the output as 1, because 0 1, because once the Python controller it will be find that particular thing, then it will be not even checking the second condition also. Guys, if I'm not passing anything, means in that particular index position I don't pass any delimiter. Now if I'm not passing anything, then what is my output? Guys, just see. If I'm not passing, means here I in the delimiter I don't pass anything, so it will be give me 0. If I'm passing a space, because space also a character, it will find the first space, because we will be 0 and 1. For this first space, it will be the index position will be 2. That's why it will be give me the 2 as my output. Okay guys. Then guys, if whatever the string I just want to check, that will be not available in this, then what is this output? Okay, so guys, just see, if I'm taking this index, I want that particular don't available. In that case, it will be throwing and enter, because Python controller check each and everything. If that particular things will be not available, then in that time it will be telling that value error, means the soft string it's not find. Okay, this is how you can find. Then guys, then the next syntax for this we are going to see. The next syntax will be, you need to specify the starting and ending index. Means starting index you can find, means give, or ending index. Means in that case, if I want to find the E, means in the interview they might be accept, write a program to find every second E that are present in a string. Okay, that might the question they need to add. Means in that time, if you are using this index method, but you need to give the first setting. Means if you are saying like that, we know that the first will be available here. So we need to skip that particular things. Right, guys? So in that case, you can find like that. We need to give the E, but we need to exclude that. So we need to give that random number 2, because we know that the starting index, the first space will be become 2. Okay, now we need to specify, after that it will be give me the index position of this E will be 5. If you see also, E, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the place of 5, we can find that particular things. Okay, guys, just see if somebody asks that, sir, you are doing that particular thing that we need to manually know. But my requirement will be I don't want to manually type because first I'll know that the space will be come in the 2. That's why I just give that after this we I want find. But I don't want to find, but I want to manually check. Then in that case, the new technique will be you need to here means first we need to find that particular thing, then in the place of starting index you need to again mention that the variable name of second index. Okay, if you are finding this e, we need to exclude that particular thing. Okay, means here if you see the Python controller come here and it will be searching this e, here it will be finding that particular thing, but it will be telling that if one means where we need to start, means here it will be finding one time, so it will be telling that my index position will be wherever you are finding, means it will be finding in the one position. I need to add one more time, means I don't want to by default taking, means I don't want to manually taking, means in the previous example I just give the static index as 2, but this will be the dynamically way, means I need to give dynamically way. If I give that particular thing also, it will be give me the output as 5 because the Python controller first find the e, then it will be increase that particular 1 plus index value. Here it will be the first index value will be 2, sorry 1, then it will be increased to 2, then it will find 2, then it will be starting from here only. Okay, if you want to the third occurrence, then you can give after this you need to pass one more time as that particular things, right guys? This is how they might be asked in the interview also. So that's all the different examples that are available in our index method. Okay, guys. Then the next method that will be find method. Okay, by the help of this word means we need to find something. Okay, the find method, what is the use of this find method is if the substring is not available in the string, then find method gives the -1. Means if the find, then it will be returning the index position. If not find, it will be give me the error, sorry, it will be not giving any error, it will be give me that output as -1. Okay, if the substring is not available in the string, okay, then the find method gives -1. Otherwise it gives the occurrence of first occurrence characters, or we can say that index position. Okay, the return type of this will be index only, sorry, the return type is integer. Okay, the syntax for this variable name dot find in that position, you need to find this substring only. Okay, how it going to work now we are going to see now. So guys, we are taking this example only, so I need to copy this one because if I'm scrolling then it will be creating error. Okay, so now I need to find that particular thing. Guys, just see if I'm taking s of find. Okay, now here I need to give that particular e. Just see, it will be give me the index position. Okay, here, but if I am giving this, that will be not available. Okay, I'll type z, but in case of your index it will be throwing an error, guys, means that a substring will be not available, but in this case it will be give me -1, means if the Python controller will not find that particular things, then it will be throwing that it will be -1 only. Okay, Then we are going to try some different example also. Okay, means if I'm taking E, okay, now I just want to starting from my starting index as 6 only randomly. Okay, now it's means it will be directly my Python controller come to 6 position, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. After this space it will be finding that particular thing. If you see after 6 it will be finding 8 9, means in the position of 9 it will be finding my E position. Okay, if it will be not available, then it will be throwing that -1, but it will be not giving an error. Whenever you are using this find method, this is the advantages. But if you are using this index method, if that particular will be not available, then it will be give you the error. Okay, like that there are some extension, means we have something that special like that r index and r find. Okay, r index and r find is nothing but this method. It will be give the index position, but in their index it will be finding for the first occurrence, and for this r index it will be finding for this last occurrence. Okay, all of this same, means if you will be not finding, then it will be give me the error. Okay, if it will be finding, it will be give the index position, but from the last occurrence, not the first occurrence. Okay, now we are going to check the return type is integer. Okay, and the syntax will be same, variable name, sorry, a variable name dot r index, and you need to find this substring. Okay, now if you are giving like that, it will be searching that, but it will be checking in the last occurrence. Okay guys, just see, I am searching that for this r index, so I'll type s dot r index, okay, of E. If you see here, it will be starting from only 1, but if you see, it will be only available in this position. But guys, whenever you are going to find this index position, it will be give in the positive side, means you don't think like that it will be give -1 -2 -3. Okay, it will be give me this way, but it will be give me that particular last index only. Guys, just see, it will be give me 25, because this E will be available in the 25 position. Okay, in that also you can specify that the static index. Okay, if you are specifying the static index from 3, it will be not that affecting, but it will be give me the same output as. Okay, means if I am giving that that O, okay, means 0, we know that it will be not available, though in that case also it will be give me the error, because this will be out of this substring will be not found on this string, available string. That's why it will be give me this error. Okay guys, so right, means the same for this r find also. R find also same, means it will also for to finding the index position, but in the last occurrence. Okay, if it will be not found, it will be not throwing the error. Okay, not throwing the error, it will be give me the -1. For this one also the syntax also same. The syntax will be, sorry guys, yeah, so the syntax will be r find dot substring, whatever you want to check. Now if I'm going to check that particular thing, guys, just see, I just want to so I need to print that particular thing, so s dot r find of, I want to find of the different of D. Okay, now just see, it will be give me in the positive, but the last occurrence only. So here only one E will be, oh, only one D, it will be throwing. We need to give the next one will be, I think there will be same only E only available 2 times. Yeah, that's why it will be taking. Okay, so I'll take Pythons. Okay, here I need to check Pythons. If you see, it will be not giving this one value, it will be giving me this value. Okay, just see 28. If that particular value will be not available, because here I am taking the capital case, here we know that it will be not available. In that case, it will be not giving an error, but it will be give me minus as my output. Okay, whenever in your coding you don't want error, then you can use your r find or r index, because if you want to find error, then you can use your index and r index. Okay, in this case you can only finding the -1. Okay, but this answer will be not correct, but it will be telling that means in the interview they might be asking you what is the difference between index and find. Okay, both are used for to find the index position, then what is the difference? Okay, this is how you can find. So guys, that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. Try writes. If you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRide.